Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record a Webex meeting using your phone. To get started, first open the Webex meeting app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. You must be the host of the meeting to record. Join the meeting you want to record. Once you are in the meeting, tap the three dot or more options button at the bottom of the screen. This will open additional meeting control. From the menu, tap record meeting. Webex will start recording everything happening in the meeting, including audio, video, and shared content. You might see a recording indicator on your screen to show that the meeting is being recorded. If you need to pause the recording at any time, tap the pause button. To stop the recording completely, tap stop recording in the same menu. Your recording will automatically be saved to your Webex account or cloud storage. After the meeting ends, go to your Webex account or Webex app and open recordings where you can watch, download or share the recording with others. Make sure you have enough storage saving locally and always let participants know the meeting is being recorded to stay compliant with privacy rules. And that's it. That's how you record a Webex meeting on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.